Hey Maria, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. I just spoke with your husband earlier this morning, said that you were doing some research on your sister's behalf. She lives out here thinking about the Honda Insight, and I happen to have one out here in my back lot right now. It's the entry-level Insight in the LX trim package. We'll have multiple options available. We are the premier dealer in the state. I'm going to attach a link to our inventory here so you can select the vehicle. I'll be glad to get you additional information on it. It's our big Black Friday sales event today. We're going to be in the office until 8 o'clock. If she can make it out, we've got some special incentives available for this weekend only while supplies last. So I'll be looking forward to talking with you. You can reach me direct at 205-504-2358. And again, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.